Tired of blurry Facebook photos? Here's how to ensure your images stay crystal clear every time. Is this happening when you upload or when viewing others' photos? Let me know in the comments below. Always upload the original high quality files. Like screenshots or edited images often compress poorly. For profile pictures, use at least 720 pixel wide. Cover photos need 820 to 312 pixel minimum for sharp display. On mobile, tap the SD toggle before posting. This preserves quality. If viewing blurry photos, check your data settings. Facebook may be reducing quality to save data. For business pages, upload through Creator Studio instead of directly. It handles compression better. Working now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.